So we are replacing these blinds right here, not with the same style, the flimsy style. We have these really cool smart shades from the company Bringnox. And I'm really excited about that because I'm into tech. And we're gonna take these down and those. And the Bringnox shades are going up. So let's get started. Out with the old and in with the new. These are the Bringnox Smart Shades, and I'm excited about this one. Today I'm going to show you the packaging, the unboxing, the installation, and how to pair them with the remote app, the before and after, and my honest thoughts on these shades. When the shades arrived, they were very protected. Inside the boxes, you get the smart shades itself, mounting brackets, screws and anchors, the remote with 15 channels, the charging cables, and the instructions manuals. The unboxing process was super straightforward, nothing complicated, and no confusing setup. Again, everything was packaged very nice and protected. Nothing was damaged. Now it's time for the installation process. Right here, we are just removing the sticker. It asks you to remove the sticker before installing. Now we are ready to take down the old blinds and put up the new shades. The tools we are using are as follows. Drill bits. We used a pencil, a drill, a measuring tape, a leveler, some goggles, and finally a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. What was included in the packages? Well, the shades and then whatever hardware that was included. We had 2 different shade styles, so everything included was not the same. Taking down the old blinds was pretty simple. We installed the brackets. They were easy, just snap them on. We used a pencil to mark where we wanted the brackets to go on the wall. We have an outside mount. They also have inside mount options and a ceiling mount option as well. Next, we used a pencil to mark where we want the brackets to go. After that, we installed the shades. They literally just snapped into place. Once mounted, it looks super clean. Here's the remote control, and here is the solar panel. You can use some double-sided tape to stick on the window and the other side to stick on the back of the solar panel and just stick it on the window. There are multiple ways to control these shades: a solar panel, a charger block, or a charger cable. We chose the solar panel. Then connect the solar panel to the shades via Type-C. And this is what the smart shades look like. They are the zebra style. You can see the green stripes. It's an olive green color, a deep green color. It looks really nice. Now I'm going to show you how the shades look when they go up. They look really cool. The shades go up at a nice pace and they are not that loud. The motor is not that loud. It looks really awesome going up. The stripes open and you can see sunlight coming through. That's pretty neat. I didn't know shades could do that. Bringnox shades are very customizable. The shades can stop anywhere you would like to. You have to press the pause button on the remote and it can stop anywhere you'd like. And when the shades go down, they still leave an opening and you can still see sunlight coming through. These shades let a lot of natural light come in the room. Very innovative design. Check this out. These shades are nice and thin, but they're thick enough to be blackout shades. They're customizable. They do not have to be blackout shades. We just got the blackout shades. And the quality of these shades feel really nice. Now it's time to take down these old blinds. With these style shades, they come with some washers, and so we are installing the washers onto the shades. To be honest, putting on the washers was kind of annoying because the design is a little thin. You gotta reach down in there, but you can get it through. Again, we used a pencil to mark where we wanted the brackets to go on the wall. We have an outside mount. It came with 3 brackets and 3 washers. Again, we used a pencil to mark where we wanted the brackets to go on the wall. Right here, we're just double checking all the washers to make sure they're nice and tight. And this is the woven wood shade style. It's a nice white color. Again, these shades go up at a nice steady pace, and the motorized shades are not that loud. They also pause wherever you want. You just have to press the pause button on the remote control. These shades come with a solar panel as well. We picked the solar panel. These are also blackout shades. These feel pretty cool, just like a wooden wicker feel. Now, just like SmartWings smart shades, these window shades are also app controlled. We use the SmartThings app. Here is the before, and here's the after, the zebra style. Here's the before, and here's the after, the woven wood style. Now, if you're comparing Bringnox and SmartWings smart shades, here's the quick breakdown. Bringnox shades are super easy to set up and support Matter, Alexa, Google, and Apple HomeKit right out of the box. Perfect if you want simple, seamless, smart control. SmartWings also supports all the major systems. So what's the difference here? Budget. If budget is your concern, I would go more with Bringnox because they tend to be on the more budget-friendly feel, whereas SmartWings is more expensive. Although Bringnox may be a bit cheaper, their quality is really, really good. And they have a lot of unique and innovative shade designs to choose from. Overall, I'm really impressed with these Bringnox smart shades. They upgraded the space very well, and they are very convenient. And they bring that smart home feel that I love. If you've been thinking about upgrading your blinds, this might be your sign. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.